WordHero AI Blog Paragraphs, Beta, Toolbar Review. Hello everyone, Swain here. Today, I am going to do a review of the Blog Paragraphs toolbar in WordHero AI. If you'd love to hear more tips and tricks about AI content writing, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also leave my WordHero affiliate link below. You can buy this nice AI tool accordingly. Firstly, we use the Blog Outlines tool for generating outlines automatically. Secondly, we use the blog intro for the introduction part based on the headlines and outlines. If we are not satisfied with the rocket icon output result, we can search the toolbar blog intro. It will provide 3 copies for choosing at one click. Thirdly, we'll mark the headlines for the content arrangement, in case we make a mess when writing so much content. We have to keep this good habit. Finally, make sure all your writing is based on keyword research and SERP competition. We'd better use some videos and links for authority backup. Google loves the way we contribute to solving problems with actual resources. I would usually highlight headlines and use the blog intro tool for a brief introduction. It's very easy to read and SEO friendly. I would like to create this content with different videos for different troubleshooting. Now we are going to test the Blog Paragraphs toolbar. It's now still a beta tool. It has 2 parts to fill in. Now I test it in a very simple way. For the short description, I simply copy and paste the outline. And for the keywords, I pick up from the Überschrift within the topic. I only do keyword research for the headline. Maybe I should do an outline keyword research? We'll test it out and improve the efficiency soon. To better content output, I would revise the content sometimes. Not every time I write very fast and without stopping. And here I use the blog paragraph again. It generates really nice content around the outlines concept and keywords. Again, I have to take time for unfamiliar content writing. I usually do learning and writing at the same time. So I keep writing until finish. My blog word account has reached 1,100 words. There will be more when I improve the details and insert anchor words and links. My content is about troubleshooting, so I offer tips with video instruction. It's to help people in a very easy way. For the conclusion, I think the Blog Paragraphs tool is very nice. It's destroying the outlines one by one. And I would use it a lot in the future, but I would love to keep an eye on matching searcher intents. Thank you, everyone. If you love this review, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to have more videos like this, please subscribe.